Did you know that over 60% of drivers admit to ignoring a dashboard warning light, sometimes for weeks? That little glowing symbol could be a simple reminder, or a time bomb under your hood. In this video, we're breaking down every dashboard warning light in your cars, what they mean, how serious they are, and what you should never ignore. Because one missed warning could turn a $20 fix into a $2,000 disaster. And don't miss the number 10. It could save your life. Let's begin with number 1. Check engine light. 1 second, you're vibing with your music, and the next, bam, a mysterious orange light ruins your peace. But what does it actually mean? Well, anything from a loose gas cap to a failing catalytic converter. Yup, it's vague on purpose. It's like your car saying, something's wrong, but I'm not telling you what. Good luck. So, if you see it flashing, don't ignore it. Flashing means urgent, like engine meltdown kind of urgent. Number 2. Battery warning light. This light means your car's charging system isn't working properly. It could be a failing alternator, bad battery, loose cable, or damaged wiring. If it comes on while driving, your car is running on stored battery power. Once that's gone, so is your engine. Get it checked immediately. Number 3. Oil pressure warning light. This light means your engine isn't getting enough oil pressure. Driving with it on can destroy your engine in minutes. Pull over immediately, check the oil level, and don't drive until it's resolved. This is one of the most serious warnings. Ignore it, and you're buying a new engine. Number 4. Brake system warning light. This light isn't just about the parking brake. It can also mean low brake fluid, worn brake pads, or even a failure in the entire brake system. If it stays on after releasing the handbrake, do not drive casually. You might still have brakes, or you might not. Either way, your stopping power is compromised. Get it inspected immediately. Number 5. ABS warning light. When the ABS light comes on, your anti-lock braking system is offline. Your regular brakes still work, but in an emergency stop, your wheels can lock up, especially on wet or icy roads. That means less control, more risk. It's not urgent like total brake failure, but don't ignore it. Get it diagnosed before conditions test your luck. Number 6. Airbag warning light. If this light comes on, your airbags might not deploy in a crash. Or worse, they could go off unexpectedly. Either way, it's a major safety issue. It usually points to a sensor fault or a disconnected system. Don't take chances. Get it checked before your next drive becomes a crash test. Number 7. Tire pressure monitoring system. This light means one or more of your tires are underinflated, or sometimes overinflated. Low pressure can lead to poor handling, reduced fuel economy, and even a blowout at high speeds. So, you should check your tire pressures as soon as possible with a gauge. Don't just eyeball it. Trust the sensor. It's literally trying to save your tread and your life. Number 8. Coolant temperature warning. This means your engine is overheating. Keep driving, and you risk warping the cylinder head or blowing a gasket, both wallet crushers. Pull over, turn off the engine, and let it cool. Never open the radiator cap while it's hot, unless you enjoy scalding steam. And ensure to check coolant levels, and don't ignore it. This one can total your engine. Number 9. Traction control light. It comes on when your car detects wheel slip and activates traction control to keep you stable, especially on wet or icy roads. If it flashes briefly, it's doing its job. If it stays on, the system might be disabled, meaning less grip when you need it most. It's not urgent, but definitely not something to forget, especially in bad weather. Number 10. Power steering. Warning light. This light means there's a problem with your power steering system, hydraulic or electric. You might notice the steering wheel feels heavy or stiff. That's dangerous at high speeds or tight turns. It won't stop your car, but it can make controlling it much harder. Get it checked before a simple turn becomes a workout, or worse, an accident. Number 11. Seatbelt reminder light. Just a ding and a little red icon flashing at you. But here's the twist. Seatbelts reduce the risk of death by 45% in a crash. And that light? It's not just a reminder, it's a warning. If it's on, your airbag system may not deploy the same way. Some newer cars even limit certain safety functions when belts aren't buckled. So, that annoying beep? It's your car begging you to not become a statistic. Click it before you regret it. Number 12. Door ajar warning light. This light means one of your doors isn't fully closed, even if it looks like it is. And while it might seem minor, at highway speeds, it can be a serious hazard. A sudden gust, a bump, or just bad luck could pop it open. Check all doors, including the trunk, and shut them firmly. Better safe than flinging your groceries, or worse, passengers, onto the road. Number 13. Low fuel warning light. It lights up, you glance at it, and think, I've got time. But how far can you really go? 30 miles or 5? It depends on your car, your speed, even the incline you're on. Letting the tank run low doesn't just risk stranding you, it can damage your fuel pump over time. Sediment at the bottom of the tank gets sucked in too. So next time it blinks, don't play chicken with the needle, because the E doesn't stand for enough. Number 14. Parking brake light. It usually means your parking brake is still on, but sometimes it's warning you of a deeper issue in the braking system. And here's where it gets tricky. If you're driving and this light stays on, your brakes might be dragging without you knowing. That means extra wear, overheating, and even brake failure in extreme cases. If you've got an electronic parking brake and it glitches, it could lock up without warning. So don't just brush it off. If it's lit and the brake is off, get it checked before your next stop becomes your last. Number 15. High beam indicator. A calm blue light, but don't let it fool you. If it's on when it shouldn't be, you might be blinding every driver coming your way. That's not just annoying, it's dangerous. High beams are for empty roads, not city streets. So when that icon glows, double check, because one glare could cause one crash. Number 16. Hood open warning light. It's just a crack, right? Wrong. If your hood isn't fully latched, wind pressure at speed can rip it open, blinding you instantly. Imagine your hood slamming up at 60 miles per hour, blocking your entire view. This light is your final warning. Stop, check, and latch it tight, because once it flies up, there's no pause button. Number 17. Auto start stop indicator. That little A with a circle looks harmless, but it's controlling your engine. When this light is on, your car is either prepping to kill the engine at a stop, or deciding not to. Confusing, right? Sometimes it's saving fuel. Other times it's disabled due to battery charge, engine temp, or AC load. But if it starts acting random, like stalling too often or not stopping at all, it could signal battery or sensor issues. So don't just trust it blindly. If it misfires, your next red light might turn into a dead stop. Number 18. Washer fluid warning light. It seems minor until dirt, bugs, or salt cover your windshield at 70 miles per hour. This light means you're out of washer fluid, and when you need it most, you'll be flying blind. It's not just about clean glass, it's about visibility and reaction time. Ignore it, and the next smear could be the one you don't see through.